Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video is all about fragrances. Now, I am a huge perfume fan. I am a collector of perfumes, and with the holidays coming, I know a lot of you guys will be gifting perfume to your loved ones. For this video, I have collaborated with a company called LUXSB. Now, usually I purchase most of the products that I review on my channel, but whenever I do collaborations, I like to let you guys know so that you know that I will definitely be giving you my complete honest opinion about any products that I review, even if they are collaborations. Now, LUXSB is a monthly subscription fragrance company. They have both designer as well as niche fragrances, and they are $15 per month. The first order is $9.75, and they also have a premium plan, which is $18 that includes a case each month. You do have the option to do the subscription for a whole year or every month, and you can of course cancel at any time. LUXSB is a monthly fragrance subscription for men and women. You could choose the fragrance of your choice from over 500 brands that include designer to exclusive worldwide brands with new arrivals each month. You can choose from hundreds of 100% authentic fragrances, and the first month includes a reusable LUXSB signature case that is perfect for traveling. I also have a discount code for my followers down in the description box to receive 35% off your first month and free shipping. So here is the package. Now, of course, when you subscribe to this subscription, you can choose any fragrance that you want from their collection, and they do have the high-end type of fragrances as well as niche brands. So the company chose 3 different fragrances for me. I did let them know that my favorite fragrance was the Chanel fragrances, and I also do like the Dior ones, so they felt that these fragrances were fragrances that I would like. They come in little packages like so, and they do twist up. Now, to find out which fragrance it is, you just pull out the fragrance bottle and it lets you know right on there. So this one is the Montel Starry Nights. Now, this one is a niche brand. The full size bottle of this fragrance is $170. All right, so let's go ahead and smell this. Oh my goodness. This is so strong. This one kind of reminds me of a stronger version of one of the Huda Beauty fragrances that she recently came out with. Very strong, so if you guys don't like very strong type of fragrances, this one is not for you. But if you're all for it, this is more for like an evening type of night out fragrance. It's really strong and beautiful. Now for the second fragrance in here, this one is Shea & Blue Black Tulip. Now, just reading a little bit about this fragrance, since I've never heard of it before, what I also really love about this subscription is the fact that there are niche brands that you've never really heard of before. You can't really buy them from retail stores, and they're very high-end type of fragrances. All right, so this one is Black Tulip by Shea & Blue, and it's a niche UK brand that's exclusive to LUXSB. And the creator of Shea & Blue used to be an executive for Chanel and a director of Jo Malone. Now, this one has white peaches in there, and that's created in the UK and made in France. One large size bottle takes 3 pounds of fruit to make this one. Ooh, this is very luxurious. The sprayer to this is also very nice. It gives like a very soft mist. Ooh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, very beautiful. I wish there was a way to kind of help you guys smell right off of YouTube videos. Very nice. It's very strong when you first spray it, but then it kind of goes down to a very soft type of powdery type of scent. Very pretty. This is more of a daytime type of fragrance. It's quite strong still, but you can definitely wear it during the day. This is the last one that I received. I love the packaging to these and the fact that they come in different colors as well. This one is Versace Crystal Noir, and of course you can purchase this one from any retail store, but I love the convenience of it being in a small package that you can take along with you, just a travel size package. All right, let's see. I've never smelled this one before. Ooh, very beautiful. This one smells so good. I'm kind of mixing all these fragrances together, but I know this is a favorite for a lot of people out there, and I love that they chose kind of different type of scents for me. One that's very strong, more evening, one in the mid-tone range, and then this one is more of a daytime type of fragrance. So I definitely love this. I definitely feel like it's worth it if you guys are looking for a gift for your loved one that loves fragrances. This is such a great idea. They're so convenient to use when you travel, and like I said, it's a gift that keeps on giving throughout the year, and you can cancel at any time. And that's it for my review of LUXSB monthly fragrance subscription box. Now for the rest of the month, I most likely will be doing more videos of gifting and what kind of gifts that you guys can think about for your loved ones. So if you guys want to see more of these kind of videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.